Hello everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with Jon. Hello Jon.
Hello Joyce.
Jon and I are in Palma de Mallorca, Spain, and we are at a castle. We're on the Edge cruise ship this week. We did the transatlantic from Fort Lauderdale to Barcelona, which is where we arrive tomorrow. And today we are on an excursion for a tour of Palma de Mallorca and a show of flamenco dancing. Let's take a look and see where we're going. Our first stop is Belver Castle at the top of Palma de Mallorca. It is in West Palma and it was closed. So this is peeking through a door that was changed shut. I put my phone inside to get a little bit of a look inside, and that was it. We were very disappointed that we couldn't go inside, but the outside was cool, and we got to spend about 15 minutes here, and then we went down these steps to see the lovely view. And it was, I think they said there's a total of 16 steps. It certainly seemed like it was taller than 16 steps. And there's a beautiful view of the castle entrance from the bottom of the steps. And across the street, this incredible view, the highest point of Palma de Mallorca.
Then on the island, approximately 1 million and approximately 50% living inside the city of Palma de Mallorca. And in all the islands, Mallorca, Minorca, Ibiza and Formentera, approximately 1,250,000 or 300,000 perhaps. And then now we go on the old torrent. This way has been the way of the old torrent, and we are going to cross through the only wide streets of the city. Today is really quiet. It's early in the morning on Sunday, and it's really much more quiet than in 1 hour. Here to the left hand side, the theater, the main theater of the city, and to the right hand side you can see one building in modernist style, the Spanish modernism or the Catalan modernism, done built at the early 20th century. This one is different to the other, the first luxurious hotel of the island. Also to the left hand side you have a house, an old house from the 18th century, and two buildings from the early 20th century, also Catalan modernism. Now we're going to pass just in front of one of the main houses of Mallorca. In the Middle Age we had more than 500 of those main houses. Here to the right hand side with this big door going to one central courtyard and really a very, very big house inside. This space on Roman times has been used as a harbor because it was a long cove arriving here from the sea that is approximately 400-500 meters from here. This is El Borne. This is Jaume III, the name of the street, and this is El Borne Street, and the other one is Rambla, La Rambla, same name as in Barcelona, but not so nice. And then here we have this space wide because it has been the sea. It has been here the sea. Water of the sea. Here to the right hand side another big house from the 18th century, another big private houses, a lot of small palaces, very big houses inside the city, as that one that is also, well, all of them, they has been very, very rich. And we will start to see now to the left hand side the pinnacles of the cathedral. And the cathedral will be seen for you from, you will see the cathedral in some minutes, and you can take some pictures because we will get off the coach if you like, and we will walk some minutes. They told us that we must go directly from the show to the ship.
We are now at our next stop, which is the Cathedral of Santa Maria of Palma. The groundbreaking took place in the year of 1229 by the order of King James I of Aragon and was only completed in 1601. It sits within the old city of Palma, atop the former citadel of the Roman city, and between the palaces of La Almudena and the Episcopal Palace. It overlooks the Parc de la Mar and the Mediterranean Sea. In 1901, 50 years after the restoration project had begun, Antoni Gaudí was invited to take over. While some of his ideas were adopted, most of them were nothing but cosmetic, and in 1914 he had an argument with the contractor, leaving him to abandon the project, and soon after the entire project was canceled. And now we are at our next and final stop on this excursion, and this is a farm where we're going to watch the flamenco dancing show. This property is absolutely beautiful. It's in the country. It took us about 45 minutes by coach to get here, and I love the fact that we were able to see the city of Palma and now the country on the island of Mallorca. It's so pretty here. Our guide informed us that they host many different types of events here. I can only imagine how beautiful it would be to have a wedding here. This is the room where we're going to watch the flamenco dancers. There's the stage and a quick look around the room. It felt incredibly authentic. We were served a pitcher of sangria, and each of us had our own plate of tapas. It was all very delicious, unique, and authentic to Spain. We truly enjoyed the tapas and loved the show. We are on our way back to the ship now. We hope that you enjoyed the flamenco dancing show as well as the rest of our day in Palma de Mallorca, Spain. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your support. And as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.